Hello students, welcome to my channel Incredible Fitness Quotient. Today we are going to discuss excitation contraction coupling and molecular basis of muscle contraction. So this is the part 1. So end of the lecture you should be able to tell what is the structure of sarcomere and sarcotubular system, what is the mechanism of release of calcium and receptors which are involved in this process, and in detail molecular basis of muscle contraction. Let's begin. So muscle and nerve both are excitable tissue. Whenever nerve or muscles are stimulated, an action potential is generated, and this phenomena is known as electrical phenomena. And the response which is shown by the skeletal muscle to the stimulus by contraction is known as mechanical phenomena. The events which link the electrical phenomena with mechanical one is called as excitation contraction coupling. The process by which depolarization of muscle fiber initiates contraction is called as excitation contraction coupling. So these are two basic definitions of excitation contraction coupling. Now let's see the basic unit which is helping in this muscle contraction. The structure of sarcomere. Now sarcomere is a structural and functional unit of myofibril. A single myofibril may be composed of hundreds and thousands of sarcomeres, and they are joined end to end. Each of the myofibril has thick and thin filaments which are arranged in a repeating pattern. So sarcomere is defined as the portion of muscle fiber which lies between two Z lines. Now as you can see here, these are A bands. A bands is intersected with the line M line. The side portion of the M line is known as H zone. On the sides of dark bands are the light bands which are intersected by the line Z, and the portion between two Z line is known as sarcomere. So thank you dear students. Wait for my second part of this lecture.